advised, this area is under the control of Air Force General Malcolm Granger. Withdraw now, or prepare to be bombed back to the Stone Age. General, you're no match for me. I own the skies. Watch the skies, General. We're gonna put on an air show.
Let's give him an air show.
Want to see it again?
I'm hungry. If that is what you want, I will work. Do not hurt me. Are there not better tools? I will work. What do you want with me? Does it have to be so far? Building construction has been completed. Oh, okay, I will work. I will try to hurry. Do not hurt me. I will work. This is hard work. I will work. I will work.
Ready for war.
Don't worry, General. This is just the quiet before the storm.
Ready for war. The higher order shall reign. Our way is through.
Building construction has been completed. Building construction has been. What do you want with me?
Upgrade complete. Let us tune in. Better reception there.
Our courage will be seen by all. Let's fight. We will claim it for ourselves. No cost is too great.
Yes.
Out of resources, General? You wanna borrow some?
The building belongs to us now. The building belongs to us now.
That's a lot of anti-air, General. Think it'll be enough to calm the fear?
The higher order shall reign. Let's fight. It is a safe place to hide.
I will obey. I'm just a peasant.
That's a lot of anti-air, General.
Do the best I can.
Point to the next thing that moves.
Ready or not, here I come.
Four on the floor.
Birds away. Let's go hunt some dozers. You don't mind if we drop in, do you, General? Will you look at that? U.S. military spending at its best. Death from above.
General, our landing is attack.
A warrior has fallen.
What do you want with me? Can I have some shoes?
Don't get on my bad side.
Oh, okay, I will work.
Go on, I'll get there. Four on the floor.
Yes.
A warrior has fallen.
Hey, General, you ever seen a raptor up close?
I do not have patience for this.
A warrior has fallen.
What?
Oh, okay, I will work.
A warrior has fallen. Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. 4 on the floor.
A warrior has fallen.
Puncture the next thing that moves.
What do you want me? I will obey. I will do the best I can.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Building construction has been completed. Cannot we live in peace?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank. A warrior has fallen.
The bomb's bursting in air.
Huh? Don't push me. What? I do not have patience for this.
Our work is complete.
Quad cannon. Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon. What? Huh?
We
Don't
are
push me.
upgrading to armor-piercing
Quad cannon.
bullets.
Yes. I will do what I must. Cannot we live in peace? Are there not better tools? Oh, okay, I will work. This hammer is heavy.
A warrior has fallen.
4 on the floor. Don't get on my bad side.
The junk repair upgrade has been installed.
Quad cannon. Puncture the next thing that moves.
Building construction has been completed. Cannot we live in peace?
Puncture the next thing
Are
that
there
moves.
not better tools? Our work is complete.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I am finished with the building. I'm just a peasant. I will try to hurry. I will obey. Are there not better tools? Our work is complete.
What?
Building construction has been completed. I'm just a peasant. That was a lot of work. I will do the best I can. Ow! Okay, I will work.
Upgrade complete.
I will do what I must.
A warrior has fallen.
A quad cannon. Yes, yes. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Do not hurt me. I will try to hurry.
Expanding surface area.
That was a lot of work.
The next thing that moves.
I will obey. Are there not better tools? I am finished with the building. Yes. This hammer is heavy.
We have 8 rockets now.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
What do you want with me? That was a lot of work. Are there not better tools?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. What? Quad cannon. 4 on the floor. Quad cannon.
I am finished with the building.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Cannot we live in peace? That building cannot fit there.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
That was a lot of work. I'm hungry. Are there not better tools? I will work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will obey. I will try to hurry. Building construction has been completed.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I'm just a peasant. I will do what I must.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I am finished with the
Puncture
building.
the next thing that moves.
Ow! Okay, I will work.
I'll puncture the next
This
thing
is
that moves.
hard work. There are no more
Puncture the
supplies
next
to
thing that
carry.
moves.
Yes. You change your mind often. If that is what you want,
Puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next
building
thing that moves.
construction has been completed. I am finished with the I'm just a peasant. This hammer is heavy.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next thing. Puncture the next thing that moves.
a lot of work. Building construction has been completed. What do you want here?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this.
A warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for this. Don't push me. I do not
Hiding in the village, huh? That's a coward's tactic, General. Stop hiding, General. Don't make me come and get you.
We have generous portion.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank. A warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon. I'll get there. Four on the floor.
You're not stealing my supplies, are you, General?
Would you like me to try some?
What? Going. Huh? Going. Quad cannon. Yes, yes.
You're taking over our oil derricks. Rangers, get out there and take them back.
Oh, okay, I will work.
A warrior has fallen.
Four on the floor. Going.
Get out of my airspace, General. They're at the east gate.
A warrior has fallen.
Defend the east side.
Get on my bad side.
A warrior has fallen.
Stop them dead in their tracks. I'll get there.
The enemy's in our perimeter. All planes return to base.
A warrior has fallen.
Four on the floor. I'll get there.
You'll regret destroying that airfield, General.
Yes, yes.
A warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon.
That's two of my airfields you've hit, General. I'm starting to get
Don't
annoyed.
push me. Start the machinery.
It's time to pull the goalies. Everyone attack.
Don't push me. Get on my bad side.
This is General Granger to aircraft carrier Olympia. Send reinforcements. Repeat, send reinforcements.
Stop them dead in their tracks.
A warrior has fallen.
Begin stitching. Don't get on my bad side. Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this. What? I'll get there.
Well, curse you, General. If you hit another airfield, I'll come for you personally.
What? I do not have patience for this. Huh?
That's the last airfield you destroy today. Forces, target their command center.
Don't push me.
Ground forces, defend the airfields.
cannon. Good. 4 on the floor. Yes, yes.
We are victorious.
I guess it's time for me to go find a good airline job.